the Savior to come, so righteousness can be done, to put an end to wickedness, to put an end to the sickness of sin, smash them to dust, burn to ashes, and the brightness of the Lord flashes on the inhabitants of the earth. Day after day the talk just makes you sick, but you better obey, they'll beat you with a stick. Day after day they're filled with violence, who give wisdom to them if they would just keep silence. Those who have lost the ability to reason, leaders who are guilty of treason, so lost they think they work for God and man, but their father is the devil, the children of sin. And all I perceive is that our world is in need of the Savior to come, so righteousness can be done, to put an end to wickedness, put an end to the sickness of sin, smash them to dust and burn to ashes, and the brightness of the Lord flashes upon the inhabitants of the earth. The Lord will save those who are His. His faithful ones He'll take home. Yes, the Lord will save those who belong to Him. Blessed are they that trust